The occipital lobe, which is based, and you can see here in yellow, is where the visual cortex is located. And that is in the occipital lobe of the brain, the back and lower portion of the brain, right above the cerebellum. What is so important about that is it is where the visual proprioceptive writing reflex is triggered. And this is paramount to keep our brain, eyes, and body in relative balance with each other. It is triggered, and this again, listen to this, it is triggered as soon as an infant can hold their head up. So the ability to hold their head up, which is part of what tummy time is all about, strengthening those posterior neck muscles, allowing the child to be able to extend their head up, that triggers the visual proprioceptive writing reflex, and this should occur within the first 2 months. By this point in time, an infant consistently relies on visual cues to orient their head and body. So this is the first time the child is going to be able to adapt to gravity and start to compensate for gravitational forces. Reflex-mediated head control is a primary factor necessary with the progression from holding your head up, sitting, crawling, and eventually standing. The sequence of postural development, remember, motor and sensory and social development are all intricately bound together, is predicated upon mastering reflex control of the head position relative to gravity. So you can see how important tummy time is here. Again, listen to this. The ability to maintain postural developmental control is predicated upon mastering reflex control of the head position as it relates to gravity. So